welcome to the virtual class. I hope that every one of you are well there. In our today's class, we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 5, Matter Around Us. We see many kind of things around us. They are living things and non-living things, and they are made from matter. Okay. So matter is a substance that has weight and occupies space. Okay. Matter has weight and it occupies space. All matters are made up of tiny particles. Okay, each and every matters, they are made of tiny particles. Air is matter, but we cannot see it. Okay, we can feel air, but we cannot see it. We know that air has weight and space. Okay, do you know air has weight as well as space? You can see here as well as here also. So here I am going to show you a short experiment to prove that air has weight and air has space. Have a look. So today we are going to do an experiment which proves that air occupies space. So here we have container with water in it, empty glass and a piece of paper. So what we are going to do is that we are going to fold the paper and keep it inside the glass like this, and now we are going to dip this glass inside the container which has water in it. Okay, so now I am going to dip the glass inside the container and let us find out whether the paper gets wet or it remains and dry. Okay, so now I am going to take it out from the container and let us see whether the paper is dry or wet. Okay, so here as we can see here, the paper is dry. Okay, you can see here the paper is dry. So do you know how? Okay, so I am going to say it. Okay, so here we have glass. It seems to be empty, but there is air in it. Okay, we cannot see air, but we can feel it. Okay, so there is air inside the glass. So when we dip empty glass inside the water, okay, the water doesn't get inside the glass because the glass already contains air in it. So hence it proves that air contains or air occupies space. So now here I am going to show you an experiment which proves that air has weight. Okay, so here we have two balloons and both of the balloons are inflated with air equally. Okay, and I have tied each of the balloon at each of the side of the scale. Okay, so now I am going to prick one of the balloon. Okay, as you can see, the stick is tilted towards the inflated balloon. This shows that inflated balloon is heavier than the deflated ones. Hence, it proves that air has weight in it. I hope that you have understood the experiment, isn't it? Now we are going to read about state of matters. Okay, so there are three states of matter. They are solid, liquid and gas. On today's session, we are going to read about solid matter. Okay, so here solid does not flow and cannot be poured into container. Okay, so solid, they cannot flow. Okay, they cannot flow and they cannot be they cannot pour into any kind of container. Solid have definite shape and size. Okay, as you can see here, a brick, books, mobiles. Okay, they have definite shape and size. Okay, they are the solid matters. Okay, so here we have completed our today's session also. I hope that you have understood and now we are able to say about matters, isn't it? So I have prepared some homeworks for you and your homeworks are like this. Okay, there are some questions. One number, what is matter? Two number, name the states of matter. Question number 3, name any two solid matters. Okay, so these are your homeworks. Please do your homework on time and do check your homework